Hello everyone, this is Shanaz Jerky and I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on Storybird. This is a great tool for any age group and it allows you to not only create stories but you can purchase your stories as well. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to storybird.com. After you go there, you'll come to this page and on the top right you will see sign up for free and sign in. If you do not already have an account, you'll have to click sign up for free and you can sign up there. Once you're done with that, you will then click sign in. After you're done signing in, you will then come to this page where at the very top you will see the words you, create, read, and shop. Under you will see your stuff, which is where you can view books and poetry pages and other things that you have created. You can click on bookshelf, which is where you have saved books from other authors. Or you can choose following, which you can choose if there are specific authors that you would like to follow. Create is where we're going to go to in a second. This is where you will start to create your first piece of work. Read is where you will go if there are different kind of books that you would like to read from other authors, not just your own. And shop is where you can go if you wish to purchase books. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go to create. And once you come to this page, if you scroll down, you will see that there are a lot of images that you can choose from. Once you find an image that you like, you will then go ahead and select it, and this will become part of your first page of your story. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, the first one. So you see the image right here, and at the top it says use this art. So you're going to click use this art, and once you do, you'll have three things that will pop up. One will say long form book, which is for a multi-chapter book. Picture book, which is just for a multi-page picture book. And poem is for a single page poem. I'm going to go ahead and choose picture book. And once you do that, this page will pop up and you will have a text box on the left of your image. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here. Now down here at the bottom right, you're going to see a plus symbol. This is where you would go if you want to add pages to your book. And on the bottom left, you'll see a minus symbol. That's where you will go if you need to remove a page that you don't want. So I'm going to go ahead and click the plus symbol to add another page. And I now have a blank page. And on the left and the right, you can see that there are images. These images you can use to drag to put into your page. Now you can see there's like these gray boxes showing up in different areas. This is where you're going to place your image. So I'm going to go ahead and place this one up here. So now I have an image at the top and I have my text box at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and click plus one more time. So once you have added all the pages that you want to, if you look at the very bottom left, you'll see the thumbnails for each of the pages that you have created. We're going to go ahead and click on cover. Now at the bottom here for the cover page, you'll see that there are four choices: classic, landscape, journal, and iconic. Now if you signed up for the free account, unfortunately you can only choose the first option, which is classic. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll see that the last image that I use in my book is the one that shows up as my cover page. So what you can do is you can actually change that image if that's not the image that you want for your cover page. So let's go ahead and select that. So now I have a new image. And then you have your text box, which is where you're going to title it. Now down at the very bottom, you'll see color choices for your cover. Right now it's selected on orange, but you can also change it. And once you found the one that you like, that's the one that you're going to leave. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this color right here. So once you're done with that, you can click the back arrow on the bottom right-hand corner, and it'll bring you back to all your pages. And at the very bottom left, you can see the thumbnails again. And you can go to each page to see and make sure it looks the way you want it to look. So once you're done, you have actually completed your very first story. So you can either click save, which is what you would click if you want to save it, but you want to come back and edit it later. Or you can click save and exit, which is what we're going to do. Now, once you do that, you're going to come to this page where you can select the tab that says My Story Isn't Finished Yet, which is what you want to do if you're not done. Or you can click Publish My Story privately or publicly. Now, privately, this is if you don't want everyone to see it, you only want certain friends or family to view it. Or publicly, this will be anybody who has a Storybird can view it. So I'm going to click publicly. You can then go ahead and create a summary for your story. You can create tags. And then you can also select what kind of categories it falls under. And at the very bottom, you'll choose what age group that this book is meant for. Once you went ahead and selected all of those tabs, you're going to go ahead and then click Submit. And now your book is now published, and then they give you an option if you would like to purchase it. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my page so I can show you a couple of examples that I have already created. So here you can see we already have the one that we just did. In the middle here, you'll see a poetry page that I have created. And then on the right, you will see a storybook that I have created just like the first one that we had just done. Now you can use these books for anything. You can use these books for your classroom. You can use the poetry pages. You can print them out once you have ordered them, and you can post them around your room as posters. These can be used for many different reasons. You can even create books with your class and then have it purchased, and then you can have it in your classroom and your students can go back and read about the book that they created, which I think is very nice for students. It engages students and it's very interesting. So as you can see, this tool is a great tool and it is very simple and easy to use. And I love the creativity aspect of it. I would encourage anybody to use it, and it's meant for any age group. So thank you everyone for watching, and you all have a great day. Bye.